In a crowded marketplace of JavaScript courses, JavaScript Best Practices, a hands-on approach, stands out as the most comprehensive course ever published on writing secure, efficient, and professional JavaScript. This course isn't just another tutorial, it's a step toward real-world readiness, meeting the high standards that top companies look for. Unlike most JavaScript courses, we don't just teach you the language. Instead, we dive into the best practices demanded by today's industry leaders, equipping you with skills that go beyond syntax. Whether you're a seasoned developer or just starting, this course fills a crucial gap by offering an in-depth look at what separates good JavaScript from great JavaScript. Our journey begins with foundational skills, where you'll set up a robust development environment in Visual Studio Code. From there, we guide you through advanced coding practices like modular code structure, variable management, and error handling, so your code is not only functional but also clean and resilient. And in today's development landscape, security isn't optional, it's essential. We tackle critical web security best practices head-on, covering the most common web attacks, like cross-site scripting, XSS, cross-site request forgery, CSRF, and command injection. You'll learn exactly how these attacks work, and more importantly, how to prevent them. Our approach is hands-on, with real-world examples and prevention techniques to ensure your applications are secure from the ground up. Plus, mastering asynchronous programming is crucial in the modern JavaScript world. We'll show you how to use async and await effectively, introducing advanced techniques for handling complex async workflows, error management, and performance optimization. To reinforce these concepts, we've designed interactive coding exercises, assignments, and quizzes, so you're always applying what you learn in real time. You'll also gain access to downloadable code snippets, sample projects, and curated reference links to keep using even after completing the course. And for those looking to network, we're setting up a dedicated Discord community exclusively for this course. It's a space where you can ask questions, share ideas, and connect with other students and industry experts who are all committed to mastering JavaScript. So, if you're ready to elevate your JavaScript skills, fill that demand gap, and join a community of passionate developers, enroll today. Start your journey to writing better, safer, and smarter JavaScript, and become the developer who truly stands out in a crowd.